Joining me right now with reaction, Bullseye brief author and publisher Adam Johnson, Janney, Montgomery, Scott, chief strategist Mark Luschini, and our very own Gerri Willis live on the floor of the NYSE. Adam Johnson, okay, they are uncertain whether tax reform is going to work. They are uncertain whether actually giving money back to the people that earn it in the first place and the corporations that earn it is actually going to help the economy. I beg to differ on that one.
Incredible, isn't it?
And they say there's few signs of wage growth. 2.4% is still growth, so we're not talking about a reduction in wages. I realize that it needs to keep pace with inflation, but they just can't help themselves.
Well, this is a great example of you give the government an inch and it'll take a mile. We gave the central bank all this authority. Guys, you guys are going to run interest rates. You're going to run money supply. You do whatever you think is right. And they did. And you know what? Way back in 2009, 2010, we actually needed them. And the Fed did a wonderful job. But they don't want to give up that power. And that's what you're seeing today.
I mean,
we don't need them anymore.
You're starting to see fundamental growth for the first time in, frankly, a decade.
Right.
But they just don't want to give it up. And look,
they don't want to give up the power. They're government employees. That's the way the government works.
Well, market's up 212, so we are now quite near the highs of the session. As soon as this news came out, the market took off, gaining about 50 points there. Mark Luschini, are you surprised?
Not at all, Trish, given the commentary from the reporter with regard to the notes that came out along with the minutes from the January 31st meeting. It suggests to me that it's a Fed that is going to be exceedingly gradual, and the market had been probably bracing for something much more hawkish, and perhaps even that not only are there 3 rate hikes left for 2018, but possibly 4, and now that even jeopardizes whether we hear 3 coming out of the Fed, given how uncertain they seem to be around all the variables you were just talking about.
Yeah, what a bunch of pessimists over there at the Federal Reserve. Look, Gerri, the market's going to like this. They like to know that the Fed is there, ready, willing, able, and always desiring to help, lend a hand. But, it does seem as though we're shifting into a new kind of time for our economy. And we need to know that our Fed can actually be there should things not be so good.
Well, I like to think of this as back to the future, right? We're going back to a paradigm that a lot of people on this trading floor don't even remember. When there was actually inflation, the economy was growing. This is a new reset for some people out there who've been through it before. But I just want to say, let's take a look at these markets, right? The Dow up 214 points right now. At about the time your show opened, it was up about 150. The S&P up about 23 points here. The NASDAQ up about 86 points, I believe. And so what you're seeing is this big hullabaloo, this big excitement over the fact that the Fed's still going to be there. And I think you're making a great point here, but it's not surprising at all that the markets would be in favor of this. I got to tell you, this is just interesting reading these comments and their interpretation of what's going on here. They don't see this fundamental burgeoning demand that so many people here talk about, whether they're CEOs or traders, people visiting the floors, or people who are here all the time. Demand for products, goods, and services, the innovation going on in the tech sector that we hear about every single day that is transforming consumer culture, transforming manufacturing. It's just, I think you picked up on the right theme here about how the Feds are treating this, but markets know what to do. Look at these tech stocks, Apple, Microsoft, Google on a tear here. Sure,
why
keep
not?
Money cheap. We like it. We'll take the cheap money and run.
As they say, do not fight the Fed. And investors, if they've learned anything over the last decade, it's certainly that as we look at a market right now that's up 260 points.